Hey, it's John from Addicted to Blaze. Today I'm going to take a look at this purchase I made off of Amazon. Car safety hammer. Saw these on 704 Gears channel. If you aren't subscribed to him, you need to go check him out. He gets discounts and companies for just his subscribers, and he's always finding good deals on Amazon. These were like $8 for a pair. Got an orange one and a black one. Got a little sticky clip there you can stick on your car somewhere, so you can have these close at hand in your car. Got like a little loop there to hang it on something if you want to. Not sure how this works. There's a seatbelt cutter in this end. And a safety hammer in this end. I think you just push this up against the glass and the thing pops out a little hole in the end and breaks the glass. Yep, lightly press the hammerhead against the lower corner of the car window to shatter the glass. So I thought I'd put one in each of my cars or each of my trucks, and in case I ever get trapped underwater or get trapped and I can't open the door, I can bust the window out easily and cut the seat belt. Has little O-rings in there for $4 a piece. Can't beat it. So, thanks for watching.